Do you know people who work insanely hard, yet somehow never seem to get ahead? They're always busy, always tired, and somehow still stressed about money. That's because a lot of what we've been told about getting rich is just wrong. So today, let's talk about 5 things regular people genuinely believe will make them rich, but doesn't. And I'll show you what actually moves the needle instead. This is probably the biggest one. Most people grow up hearing, work hard and everything will work out. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Some of the hardest working people on the planet are also some of the poorest. Farm workers, factory workers, nurses doing double shifts. They're not lazy. They're trapped in time for money work. Now compare that to someone like Jeff Bezos. Bezos didn't become wealthy because he worked longer hours than everyone else. He built a system, Amazon, that could grow even when he wasn't there. Hard work matters, but only when it's applied to something scalable, which will help you avoid the next pitfall. Saving money feels smart, and to be fair, it is smart, but it's not how people get rich. If saving alone worked, every frugal person would be wealthy by now. Here's the problem: inflation. Money sitting in a savings account is slowly losing value every single year. Warren Buffett didn't become a billionaire by hoarding cash. He invested it patiently for decades. Saving keeps you safe. Investing is what actually grows money. Think of saving as a seatbelt. Investing is the engine, but the engine only works if you start it by avoiding this next trap. This one sounds reasonable, but it's deadly. I'll invest when the market settles down. I'll start a business when I know more. I'll begin when I'm more confident. Here's the thing, nobody ever feels ready. When Elon Musk started his first companies, he didn't have it all figured out. He learned by doing. Wealthy people don't wait for perfect timing. They move early, make mistakes, and adjust. Waiting feels safe, but doing nothing is often the most expensive choice you can make. By the way, if you're getting some value out of this, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I drop new videos every week that break down the financial habits that actually move the needle so you can build the future you really want. Every few years, there's a new promise. Day trading, crypto hype, drop shipping, AI side hustles. Now, can people make money from these? Sure, some do, but most people arrive late, underprepared, and chasing shortcuts. Meanwhile, the real winners are selling courses, subscriptions, or hype. Look at people like Charlie Munger. No flashy trends, no shortcuts, just long-term investing, patience, and discipline. Wealth usually looks boring from the outside. If something promises fast money with little effort, you should probably slow down, not speed up. This will help give you the vision to make sure you avoid the final trap that most people get caught by at some point in their financial journey. You can earn a lot of money and still be broke. Doctors, lawyers, high-income professionals. Many of them live paycheck to paycheck because their lifestyle rises with their income. Meanwhile, plenty of wealthy people drive average cars and live well below their means. That's because wealth isn't about income. It's about ownership, control, and freedom. A big paycheck looks impressive, but wealth is what lets you walk away. Most people aren't poor because they're lazy. They're poor because they're following advice that sounds right, but doesn't work. Getting rich isn't complicated, it's just misunderstood. Achieving wealth is not only about avoiding the harmful habits. There are plenty of small daily habits the wealthy follow. Check out this video to learn how you can adopt these daily habits.